Hello, this is Oleg with BOM, and today I want to demonstrate you how to filter multi-level bill of materials by applying user-defined views with a filter. I do have multi-level bill of materials, and I do have parts that have attribute make buy. So for each part I can say if this part is make or this part is buy. And I would like to have a possibility to filter this bill of materials once for all buy parts, and then next time for all make parts. Pretty common use case. So how can I do it? So I can create a user-defined view. This user-defined view, let's create this view and let's call it buy view. So I created this view. Now I can edit how this view will work. So I need to grab all properties to be added to the view, and then now create a filter. So I'm creating filter for make buy property, and criteria will be buy. So I'm saving this information. I'm saving view, and now I have view is off. I'm applying this buy view. So as you can see, I have filtered information, and all parts that I have are buy parts. So I already created another view, and another view is make view. So by applying make view, you will see that all parts in this view now in all levels will be make parts. So I hope you like it and you will find it useful. So if you will have question, contact us. Have a good day. That was Oleg with BOM.